Hi, I'm Sarah Haverstick, Safety Advocate with Evenflo. Your little thrill seeker is growing older and bolder, and it's time to switch modes. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Evenflo EveryKid all-in-one car seat in backless booster mode. Before we begin, please review the instruction manual and all labels on the car seat prior to use. Unbuckle and loosen the harness. Remove the body pillow and head pillow as they are not used in booster mode. Make sure the lower anchor connector is stored in the forward-facing belt path and attached to the storage clip on the side of the car seat. Raise the seat pad. Lift the seat pad to access the release handle for the booster base. Raise the white handle and using the crotch buckle as a guide, lift the booster base off the car seat. Remove the buckle. Store the buckle behind the car seat. Place the backless booster on your vehicle seat. Stretch the vehicle's lap and shoulder seatbelt across your child. The lap belt should be positioned underneath the booster seat armrest. The shoulder belt should be positioned underneath the booster seat armrest on the buckle side. Now you're ready for non-stop adventure. For any additional questions, all Evenflo car seats come with ParentLink customer service perks like real-time chat support and free live video installation service. For more information, visit evenflo.com.